Boy, it sure is boring here in the old fire department. You know, 12 hours a day, 8 hours a day.
Do you hear that? It's the fire alarm.
Nope.
Nope, it's not. Here he's going.
You know what? It's got to be one of those silent alarms that irritates dogs.
Oh, it is? Look, you can see the light beeping.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Goodness. Okay.
We gotta get down the truck.
Okay, let's go down the pole.
You go first, and
I was going to say you go first, but I'll go first.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Here, I'm going to jump on the pole and slide down. It'll probably be loud.
It will. It will. That was kind of windy. Okay, here I come. Now I'm a little bigger than you. So,
I know.
But I've greased myself up, so I just slip right down.
This is
Here
good.
we go. Oh, that was
I think you messed yourself. Anyways, let's get in the truck. First, let's get our stuff on.
Yeah.
Boots, coveralls, hats, bandanas. I don't know.
I got my boots on right now.
Okay.
Those are tight boots. They're made to fit.
Somebody put a squid in mine. I can't get my other foot in.
Right, here's the cone. I'm gonna swing it around and flip it on my back. Here we go.
Wow, that was kind of like Zorro.
It is. Like a whip, like Indiana Jones.
I didn't know. Hopefully, my jacket's a little heavier.
Whoa! Something ripped there.
Yeah. There we go. Boots.
Hey, well, I think we're ready to go. Why don't we just jump into the big red truck?
The fire truck.
That's it.
Yeah. The big red truck thing. Okay.
I'm just gonna open my door here.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
There it goes. And I'll just shut it.
All right, I'll open mine.
Whoa! Wow! That thing scared me.
Is that a cat?
I don't know what it was.
It's probably the firehouse cat.
We gotta go! We gotta go!
Sorry. Cat had kittens on the seat.
Oh yeah, it's not. I'll put it back.
All right, I'm gonna start it up.
Here we go.
Battery's dead. I'll try it again.
Try again. Oh, Caleb, give us some gas.
All right.
That sounds good.
And they said don't buy a fire truck if it's made by Kia.
I know. Okay, before we leave, I'm gonna switch the siren on so everyone knows that we're coming.
Good idea.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Well, that was my alarm clock. Here, let me flip this. This is the alarm. I'm making this up.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go. That'll have to do.
That's what you get for working in the Point Edward Fire Department.
All those budget cuts, you
Holy
know.
smokes.
We get the
All right, let's get going.
It's like I'm from the pound.
All right, I think we're there.
Over there.
I guess.
Okay, you know what you're gonna do? You get the hoses out, and
Okay.
I'm just going to get my megaphone out, and I'm gonna tell everyone that we're here and it's okay.
All right.
Here we go. Ready?
Everybody run away because I don't know how to do my job.
That's effective.
That was kind of awkward.
I felt like running myself. I'm just gonna throw these hoses on the ground, hook them up to the hydrant.
Okay. We better hurry up though, Sean, because I hear people screaming. Yeah, see, I told you.